What's up guys? Welcome to the first Beacons vlog. Let me show you around. Cool, so we'll start in our front room. This is kind of like the space where the team hangs out. We do Wednesday lunches. One cool thing about this room is we have a few products made by creators. This neon sign, for example, was made by one of our creators. And then there's also another sign over there that you can't see right now, but it's made by a woodworking creator that actually also invested in Beacons.
Which woodworking creator?
Andy Klein. Klein Inc. There's like a bunch of numbers in his name, but I don't quite remember what the numbers were. One of our two conference rooms. I think we have Alan here, our head of strategy, taking a call. This is the kitchen, which has been repurposed into a meeting room.
There's like a pineapple king over there.
Something like that. Oh,
that
nice.
I brought.
Oh, what?
Yeah.
Good job, Alan.
Thank you.
Yeah.
We had some Lancy during the meeting.
Nice of the meeting. We got our... What's up?
Sorry, the filming's not stopping here. I'll just try to move.
No.
You're okay, you're good. You're chilling there.
Good. Yeah, so we got all of our Costco snacks and all of our 0-calorie caffeinated drinks. Basically everything a tech startup would need. Oh, this gong is kind of sick. This is from the early days. Ooh. We used to hit it every time we got a user to sign up for Beacons, and then we would hit it again once they put their link up in their bio. And I think, yeah, every time we hit it, we also did 10 push-ups. At some point, it became too much, so we stopped hitting it.
That's why all the founders are fit.
Yeah, something like that. Bathrooms, essential. And this is where the magic happens. Probably more people here later. Usually more people work from home in the morning, but yeah, it's Wednesday, so we got lunch, and it's exciting to see what the office looks like in a few hours. This room is Neil's office. What's up, Neil?
Say hi, Neil.
What's up?
It has been repurposed into a conference room and then repurposed back into Neil's office. So it's the room of change.
It gets very hot in here.
Yeah, it used to be like a greenhouse until we tinted the windows. I think Neil was just baking in here, but he seems happier now. Oh, should I say? Okay. Alright, we'll ask Jacob. Oh shoot, Jacob moved out of SF. Okay, we'll figure it out.
We gotta live without Jacob now.
Yeah, we do. And then we got our phone booths, which get a lot of use, I guess. They're not as soundproof as we like.
Yeah, they usually do. We have Kat over there.
Oh yeah.
Taking a meeting. And so Andrew,
that's
right there. That is Jesse's brother.
What? Secrets out.
We have Dean over there, and then we have Paul right there.
Yeah.
And then, like you said, there's more people in the office, right?
Yeah. We got Ivan behind the camera.
Hi.
We also have that nice deck outside the window, but the only way to get there is through the window. So we never actually used it.
I think we talked to the people, or our landlords, and they said that it's not suitable for us to stand on there, right. And it will break if there's too many people. So
is that his way of calling us fat?
Yeah, I think so. Alrighty, Jesse. Can you tell us about the history? How Beacon started?
Yeah. Beacon started roughly in 2018 when me, Neil, and David started working together on side projects as PhD students at Stanford. We went through YC in summer of 2019. But if we start the clock at summer of 2019 when we all went full-time on it, it's been a little over 4 years. And then right after YC, Greg also joined as co-founder, and I think that's what really got the ball rolling.
So what was Beacons originally, and then how did it get to where we're at now?
Originally, we were a lot of different things. Yeah, me and the other co-founders, we were all PhD students at Stanford, specializing in different areas of machine learning. Yeah, we started thinking about a future where you don't need keys, key cards, passcodes anymore. Basically, your face is your key. But the smart lock angle was a little bit tough for many reasons. So we pivoted out as well. It was tough because it was also a hardware company, and also we needed to design face tracking algorithms that were monitoring people literally 24/7. So there was some false positive rate and some false negative rates, both of which are pretty bad since you don't want people getting locked out when they shouldn't be. And you also don't want people getting access to things when they shouldn't be.
Gotcha, yeah.
We weren't that committed to building a smart lock company. We went back to ideation exploration, and one of our friends approached us with this really interesting problem of finding influencers to work with their brands, right? And as we talked to him more, we started learning more about the creator economy and really believing that, hey, this is like kind of the future, you know, like empowering individuals to monetize and also like helping brands find more efficient like marketing channels through these individuals, right? So there's definitely something to explore there. This felt like a very early opportunity. Like the market was very early, so it felt like a huge opportunity for machine learning because it's kind of blue ocean. So that's how we got into the influencer / content creator space. And then as we talked to a lot of content creators, we realized, yo, these people are like generating a lot of value and they're essentially the businesses of the future. So what if we, rather than building tools for brands to find influencers, what if we just build software to help them manage their businesses better?
Oh, okay. Happy anniversary, Ben.
See, that's why, and you're having fun.
Alrighty. Hey everyone, my name is Ivan. I am the Beacons videographer, and you're going to be following me along my day as I am at the Beacons office today. As you already met Jesse, and I'm going to introduce you guys to probably the other founders as well at some point. A lot of the stuff will be just be at the office chilling and everything. Whenever we do something events, I will definitely document that for you guys. But yeah, today overall, it's just going to be kind of meeting, filming, editing type of day. Later on, I believe Anthony, one of our software engineers, and one of our founders, Neil, are gonna go straight to the soccer field and kick some, they said kick some balls, apparently, that's all they said. So, but yeah, so we're gonna see how that works out, and then if they, hopefully I get some good content out of it. So yeah, hope you guys like it.
I remember what a big deal that is.
I was going to get a brain eating
Yeah,
so
you
bad.
What happened?
All right, Neil for his hard work and efforts to get better. Thankful for the Two-Stack team for welcoming me with open arms and allowing me to be a part of the Cool Kids team.
Who's that?
I don't know who it is.
He's probably Castro.
Thankful for Lesha and Henry. Without them, I'm nothing. All right, that's it.
Everyone feels that way.
Yeah.
That's it.
Anthony, what are we doing today out here on this field?
Today we're playing a little bit of soccer, you know, American sport. Here with some people, CEO, Chris, and Ben.
We got the squad?
Squad. Pretty good squad.
Awesome. Well, hopefully you eat shit out there and
What?
Messi, immens Messi, encara 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 Messi.
Go, keep it going, keep it.
Huh?
What is it? What are the
3
rules?
push-ups or you lose.
Gotcha, okay.
It doesn't make sense, I just do that.
Okay.
You drop the ball, you make push-ups. Oh, I got you, bro, I got you. All right. 2, 3, easy. All right, hey. Imagine it's 3 shots. Okay.
Oh shit.
The hurricane, bitch! Oh!
1, 2, 3.
3 push-ups, Ben.
Setting him up for more push-ups. It's like just hit 3. Come on, you guys can play that like that. And the winner is